Hi everyone, my name is Gabrielle Thelen and welcome to my nTop Live. In today's session, I will explore ways in which nTop platform provides a modeling environment that enables design exploration and rapid prototyping. So traditional manufacturing of golf clubs has really been a bottleneck to innovation due to high costs in tooling and the constraints that come with designing for traditional manufacturing. With the use of metal 3D printing, it is now possible to design and prototype faster than ever. So within this file, I'm showing off a design of a golf club. So you see here I have a putter. And like with most workflows in nTop, I'm importing my CAD geometry. You can see here, and then converting it to an implicit to start doing the fast, complex modeling. At the handle here, you see I have some texturing going on, and I'm varying it based off of a random cylinder that I threw in here to kind of represent where your hands would be if you're gripping onto this handle here. So I have my cylinder here, and then I have my ramp block, and I'm saying kind of varying how like the distribution of this lattice on this handle. So more dense where those hands were, and then less dense as we move away. So we've done some nTop lives on texturing specifically on golf handles. So I'm gonna so I threw it in the design of this golf club, but I'm gonna choose to focus more on the head of the golf club here. So first I explored some lightweighting techniques within nTop. I created this sphere that represents a golf ball, and I use this as the modifier for how I variably held out this club. So if we go up here, I have this variable I called shell modifier, and my scalar field input, so essentially my modifier is this golf ball, and I'm saying, okay, 0 millimeters away, let's have a thicker wall, and as I move away from this ball, let's have a thinner wall, and let's actually open up a section cut of that head here to show you that's exactly what we were able to accomplish. So again, closer to the ball, a thicker wall. As we move to the back, a thinner wall here. And all golfers have different swings and style of play, therefore the ability to control, to alter the thickness and how weight is distributed in this club is an advanced control within nTop that's enabled by this ramp block. So again, in this case, my modifier is this golf ball, but it could have just as easily been analysis results like a stress map. After I variably hollowed the head of a club, I applied some internal ribbing to reinforce the areas of thin walls. Being able to apply conformal ribbing to like complex surfaces is another seamless capability within nTop. Finally, we get to the more fun aesthetic stuff and start applying different textures. So let's turn this on here. So different approaches to surface texturing. Again, kind of getting into that rapid prototyping design phase, just trying out different designs here to get something we like. I can create a surface texture from the surface mesh of this geometry and alter the edge length. I can maybe just create a conformal lattice and then change maybe the lattice type. So right now I have face-centered cubic. I could choose any of these lattice types to change that. Or I could apply like a wavy texture. I really like this texture. I could change the amplitude or the period of this wave. I'm going to go with that. And then I started playing with the front face of this club. So in this case, I applied like some spherical embedding at the front face of the club here. So we can explore different texturing capabilities in nTop due to the implicit model and the speed at which we can generate these geometries. It just now becomes a fun game of customization. So that was a cool application of nTop because it shows off advanced customization of clubs that can be adapted and personalized to a player's needs. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to continue watching these live sessions so you don't miss out on any more cool applications of nTop platform. Thank you for your time.